Hi, I'm Rachna C. Nair. I'm an AI engineer. Recently, I got an opportunity to be part of Google for Startup. So I am solving the last mile healthcare crisis. So you can just see in rural areas and all, specialized doctors are like 4 hours away. And if you want any type of medical emergencies or this any type of emergency if you go for, it's there is a barrier happening between, right? Even though they do have this government hospitals availability. So this is all about like building a Gemini AI. So it's a multimodal guardian that turns any smartphone into a real-time diagnosis triage tool. So we'll walk into the project. As you can see, this is the UI that is all done by AI Studio app with my golden prompt. So we can just talk to Gemini, visual triage options, and local health intelligence. This is the real-time updates are available. So we'll just talk to Gemini. So if we just go for start session, so you have to turn your camera on. Hello. So for this you have to give allow options here. Do not access. Sure, no one connected. So for this you can just see there is an auto fix of no one. I'm having a fever.
मुझे बुखार आ रहा है। आपको कैसा महसूस हो रहा है? क्या
Talk,
आपको कोई और समस्या भी है?
talking in English.
I understand you have a fever. Can you tell me a bit more about how you're feeling? Are you having any other symptoms, like a cough or a headache? And how long have you had the fever?
I'm
This
having a
helps me understand.
I'm having a bad cough and I've been taking Pankaja Kasturi cough syrup for 2 weeks and there is no change. Is it good or bad?
Thank you for sharing that information. Since you've been taking the cough syrup for 2 weeks and there has been no change in your cough, it would be best to see a doctor. They can properly examine you and determine the best treatment plan for you.
So as you can just see, Gemini AI doesn't just chat. So it uses the Gemini, this three multimodal API, live API, and it sees the symptoms. Because of this custom WebSocket that is rely on the Cloud Run that I have built it, the latency is 500 ms, making it feel like a natural conversation, like how the doctors and patients does. And it's for like how a mother in a remote village looks like. And now you can just see the unique features over here. If you see the code and all, wait, I'll take you to the go. We have to exit this tab. So this is the prompt and everything I have give the project summary is all about. So the script, like the unique extra is here. So since the question was like what's something extra I have added. So autonomous outbreak trigger, when AI hears like I'm having a fever or something, or if they see any rashes or anything in my body, it automatically triggers a function call to a local health database to check if any active dengue or like if any places like if since I'm living in Palakkad district, so it will just integrate with the zip code I have provided. So then they check it like if malaria is available in that places using the zip code. I've also implemented this RAD using government health manuals to ensure every piece of advice is medically validated and hallucination free. So these are the things I have mentioned, like this Ayushman Bharat digital mission and this ASHSA. These are the government things, and if any vaccination schedules are also there, they'll automatically let you know. And why it matters, because Gemini AI here is not to replace doctors. It meant to empower the local healthcare workers and saves lives through early triage. By combining the Gemini vision with the real-time data, we are building a future where quality healthcare isn't a luxury of the city. Thank you and have a nice day.